Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you a cool tips and tricks to make your portrait photo stand out in Affinity Photo. All the photos that I'll be using in this video are for Unsplash. If you want to download it, just click on the link in the description. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump into Affinity Photo and get started. Okay, so I'm going to use these photos as an example. And as you know, it's already a great photo, but I just want to make it stand out more. Okay, so the first tips that you can use to make your photo stand out is to make the background blur. Okay, so like this photo, it's already blurred. Okay, and this one as well. So I'm going to use this one as an example. Okay, so I will make this man more stand out. So I will apply Gaussian blur light filter and set the radius to 10 like this. Then use brush tool and make sure the foreground color is black, then pan over the object to make it in focus. Okay, now as you can see, this is the before and after I apply this blur effect, and this effect makes this man stand out in this photo. Okay, and when you apply this effect, make sure you remove the white part on the edges. Okay, and then the next tips that you can use to make your photo stand out is to make the eyes brighter. Okay, so let me show you how. Create a new layer and use brush tool and set the foreground color to white. Then pan on the eye, make sure it's neat, and then you can also delete some part of it like this. Then do it on the other eye as well. Then change the blend mode from normal to overlay, and as you can see, this is the before and after. Now the eyes looks more brighter and it makes the object stand out more. Okay, and then this is the last tips that I'm going to show you. You can add some shape in the eye. Okay, you can add something like heart or star tool or anything. You can make your own as well. Okay, so set the fill to no color and set the stroke to white color. Then click on here and set the width to around 5 or 6. Okay, and then make a star. And you can also use perspective tool to align it to match the perspective of this photo. And then duplicate this layer and put it on the other eye as well. Okay, and then make sure the star shape layer is selected. Then go to layer effects and apply auto glow. You can use any color that you want. I will use purple color and then set the radius around 40 to 50. Okay, and the intensity to around 75. Copy the layer effects and apply it to the other layer as well. Okay, and it will look like this. Okay, let me show you another example. I will make the eyes brighter. Okay, so create a new layer and then set the foreground color to white and pan on the eye. Okay, then delete some part of it like this. Then apply it on the other side as well. Okay, and for your information, you cannot apply this effect to a black color. Okay, so as you can see, it won't affect the black color. Okay, so you can only apply it to any color other than black. Okay, and then for this one, I will create a heart shape layer. Okay, and then go to layer effects and apply auto glow. For this one, I will use red color. and then copy the layer effects and apply it to the other layer as well. You can press Ctrl Shift V to pass the layer effects only. Okay, so I think the intensity is kind of over, so I'm going to reduce it to around 52. Okay, so this is the final result. Okay, so that was a few tips and tricks that you can use to make the object in your photo stand out. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Hit that like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.